very nice for baby of sparrow. It is resting in the nest made from grass, soft and very safety for baby. It is these are birth before 4 days ago. It is a very nice baby. It is a spread of mouth for waiting mothers food and water. Very nice. It is looking to wait for her mother sparrow. It is a very beautiful scene. It is a spread of for food. It is a spread mouth with waiting for her mother food and water. Very nice scene. Very resting for waiting for mother. Very nice scene. Look, very mouth spread for food and water. It is called Dagdi sparrow baby. Look, very nice scene. Beautiful scene. Look here.